Black hole myths versus reality. In this video, we'll be exploring some of the most common myths and misconceptions about black holes and setting the record straight on what we really know about these fascinating cosmic objects. Myth number 1. Black holes are vacuums that suck everything in. This is a common misconception about black holes, but it's not entirely accurate. While black holes do have extremely strong gravitational pull, they don't suck things in like a vacuum cleaner. Instead, objects need to come close enough to the black hole's event horizon to get trapped in its gravity well. Myth number 2. Black holes are giant tunnels to other universes. This idea is popular in science fiction, but there's no scientific evidence to support it. In reality, black holes are simply objects with incredibly strong gravitational fields. While they do have interesting effects on space-time, they don't serve as portals to other universes. Myth number 3. Black holes destroy everything that gets too close. This is partially true, but it's also a bit of an exaggeration. When objects get too close to a black hole's event horizon, they get stretched and torn apart by tidal forces. However, not everything that gets close to a black hole gets destroyed. Some objects, like gas and dust, can form an accretion disk around the black hole and spiral inward without getting destroyed. Myth number 4. Black holes are always growing. This is a common misconception, but it's not entirely accurate. Black holes do grow as they accrete matter from their surroundings, but they can also lose mass through a process called Hawking radiation. In fact, some black holes are even shrinking faster than they are growing. Myth number 5. Black holes are time machines. This is another idea that's popular in science fiction, but it's not supported by current scientific theory. While black holes can cause time dilation, they don't allow for actual time travel. In fact, it's still an open question whether time travel is even possible in the universe. Myth number 6. Black holes are always black. Contrary to their name, black holes aren't always completely black. When matter gets sucked into a black hole, it heats up and emits radiation in the form of X-rays and other high-energy particles. This radiation can sometimes be detected by telescopes, even though the black hole itself remains invisible. Myth number 7. Black holes are rare. While it's true that black holes are relatively rare compared to other cosmic objects, they're still thought to be fairly common in the universe. Scientists estimate that there may be millions or even billions of black holes in our own Milky Way galaxy alone. Myth number 8. Black holes are only found in the centers of galaxies. While supermassive black holes are often found at the centers of galaxies, smaller black holes can be found throughout the galaxy. These smaller black holes can form when massive stars explode, leaving behind a remnant that collapses in on itself and becomes a black hole. Myth number 9. Black holes always merge when they meet. When two black holes meet, they can merge together to form an even larger black hole. However, this doesn't always happen. In some cases, the two black holes may simply pass by each other without merging, or they may form a binary system where they orbit each other for millions or billions of years before finally merging. Myth number 10. Black holes are a threat to Earth. While it's true that black holes are extremely powerful and can cause some serious damage if they were to come close to Earth, the chances of this happening are extremely small. The nearest known black hole is thousands of light years away, and even if a black hole were to come close to Earth, its effects would likely be limited to the immediate vicinity. So, there's no need to worry about black holes posing a threat to our planet.